Hey, good morning, Dark Horse Nation. I'm gonna get out and take a stroll through the neighborhood. I've already been out one time, and I'm gonna tell you what, the damage is massive. I kid you not. And the weather vane, it fell over. And I had to stake to the ground, yo. And the wind is still blowing. Thank God the rain has finally stopped, because I had water coming into my fireplace earlier. And I'm going to take you guys to the neighborhood and just show you guys what kind of damage we have here. Hey, the wagon wheels, they stayed upright. But every light that I had got blowed down. Every single one got blowed down, guys. I mean, this is a damn mess. I've got a pond. You can put a damn pontoon boat right there. I kid you not. I mean, like, what the hell? Anyway, guys, yeah, this is one of the worst storms I've seen since Hurricane Hugo years back. Yeah. I mean, it will take days to clean this crap up. I mean, I kid you not. I mean, days. So, yeah. I mean, this is a mess. Yeah, fence shut, trees everywhere. I mean, it's a river running through here, guys. I mean, it blows over everything. I mean, it's just trashed. Everything's trashed. Yep. And oh my Lord, right here. Yeah, guys, this is it's a mess. I kid you not. And the wind's still blowing. Yeah. I mean, every yard in this neighborhood has damage. Every single yard, guys. Yeah. I mean, it's a mess. It's going to take people days. I mean, days. To clean this mess up. You know what I'm saying? It's like, oh my Lord. I mean, there's an actual house that sits down right here, guys. I mean, and look at this right here. Oh my Lord, yeah, that tree, 2 trees are on this house right here. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I mean, this is a mess, y'all. And the wind's still blowing. I mean, the water's still flowing. I mean, oh my goodness. Yeah. So I'm gonna drive around the neighborhood here. Oh my Lord, this is just awful, guys. I mean, awful. I mean, it's how much water is running down right here. And this over here, oh my Lord. I mean, that's just... right here. I mean, 2 trees right here, guys. Oh my goodness. Horrible. Anyway, I'm gonna go around the block. I've only got so much memory left on this camera, and I've been trying to keep it charged up, and yeah. Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm out here making a YouTube video about this mess. So.
Oh yeah. Cliff's down there cutting a tree off the road.
Yeah, I saw it cross down there just a few minutes ago.
Yeah, I was gonna walk down there and look at it.
Yeah.
I was out here walking around looking at the damage.
I tell you what.
There ain't nothing else to do.
I know, right? And they no power.
I know.
You wanna ride?
Nah, I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you, Dad.
All right, see ya. Yeah, it was a neighbor. But anyway, guys, yeah, this right here, oh my Lord. I mean, this is just, it's nasty. Yeah, so, And apparently the neighborhood is blocked off down here. There's a tree across the road, and then we got all this right here. I mean, yeah, I mean, it took out a neighborhood, you know what I'm saying? I mean, oh my Lord. There's Sam's old place. Yep, I spent many a day up in here cutting this yard. And then, yep. And right here, we're not going to go no farther than this right here, you all. I mean, I'll go down here. I mean, check this out. It's a pond right here. Oh my Lord. Yep, it's a mess. I mean, guys, this is a damn mess. I'm kind of worried about getting up under here. I don't want a damn tree to fall on me, you know what I'm saying? Lord, I mean, look at this shit. Oh crap. No. I'm dragging crap underneath the car. Oh man, look at this right here. All right, I'm gonna pull in right here. I'm gonna turn the hell around. I'll get out and take some footage right here. Let me see. Hang on a minute, guys. I'm sorry about the camera position here. I'm kind of gotten discombobulated, so Lord have mercy, this is a damn mess. All right. I mean, damn. So anyway, guys, yeah, we have a mess right here. I mean, it upturned that and come across the road right here. I mean, it's a mess. I mean, so yeah, I've got some damage in my yard, but yeah, I can't complain compared to some of the other people here in this neighborhood. I mean, it's just a mess, you know. But anyway, I'm gonna go back up through the other part and we'll see what that looks like. And I don't particularly want to be out here because this is still nasty and you can still have a tree fall on you, you know what I'm saying? Oh my Lord. Alright. I'm gonna try to keep this video at least within 15 minutes because I ain't got that much memory. And alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. Anyway, yeah, this is this is a mess, y'all. And I hope I can get this uploaded today. YouTube is being very, very slow. Yep. I mean, they were being very slow as far as uploading the video. Oh, Lord. I'm bouncing all over the place here with all this crap in the road, so. Yeah. Crunch. I mean, there's just trees down everywhere. I mean, there's a small lake right there, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh my goodness. So, I'm glad the rain finally stopped because I was running out of towels because it was flooding my damn chimney. Yep. I mean, this is just nasty, y'all. So, but anyway, yeah, this is no power. I think the whole city doesn't have power. See ya. I mean, Lord. I mean, this is just a mess. Oh my gosh. Yep. But yeah, I mean, it tore my yard all to hell. Yeah, so, yep. I mean, it's just a mess, guys. I mean, seriously, just a damn mess. So, anyway, everything's chairs overturned. These statues stayed upright. Check this out. Now, here's a metal park bench, guys. I mean, check this out right here. I mean, stuff everywhere. But there's a metal park bench right here. I mean, it flipped that over right there. It blew over the trellis. It blew the fire pit off. And on top of that, guys, I mean, it blew several sections of fence down right here. I mean, just blew it down. So I've got to get this stuff put back sometime today. So, but yeah. I mean, it just blew it all down. I mean, it's a mess. And the poor little garden, what's left of it, oh my Lord. I mean, look at that. I mean, gone. And park bench blowed over right there. I mean, trees down everywhere. I mean, I kid you not, it's just, yeah, it's gonna take a while to clean up from this mess. Yeah. Anyway, guys, yeah, I just wanted to share this video, and like I say, this storm has been bad for a lot of people, and I mean, yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys have a good day today. Lord, that wind is still, oh my Lord. Let's go down here. We'll go through the, oh Lord, that's that trees down over there. I mean, it's a mess, guys. So I'm gonna go through the church parking lot right here. Yeah. Lord. Yeah, tree down over there. Yeah, right there. That one blowed over. And sorry, I've got a bunch of stuff going on here right now. I'm trying to make sure I don't get hit by a falling tree while I'm riding around. Uh-oh. Alright, so we got this right here. Alright, so go up right here a little bit. Oh yeah, their fence, oh yeah, their fence totally come down. Yep. Sure did. So. And that tree broke. Yep, gone. So, yep. Oh yeah, that one over there's gone. Yep, gone. And this tree right here is gone. Fell over. Yeah, this neighborhood, guys, it got trashed. But I mean, it could have been a whole lot worse. Oh yeah, power lines down. We may not get power for days here. And so yeah, it's, like I say, it's just a mess. So, all right, guys, listen, y'all have a good day, and I hope that, yeah, I just hope that everybody's gonna get through this storm okay, and I will catch you guys later with another video at some point in time. And be safe today, guys. Yeah, and like I say, it's a mess. I mean, it's just a damn big mess, and you know, I mean, it could always be worse, I suppose. So anyway, you guys take care, and I will catch you guys later. All right, take care. Bye.